In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could set up a Roku Express step by step. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now let's go ahead and start from the very start. And this is going to seem a little bit obvious, but obviously take everything out of the box, remove any plastic, and grab the Roku remote and insert the batteries that it actually came with. Whenever that's done, we're ready to set up the device. Now, since this is a Roku Express, you're going to want to make sure the glossy side is actually facing outward because that's where the remote connects. On the back, you'll see an HDMI and power port. Begin by plugging in the USB power cable to the Roku. If you have a wall adapter, plug it into the wall. Otherwise, you can use it through your TV's USB port. But from here, go ahead and plug the HDMI cable into the Roku Express and plug the other end into your TV. Just take note of which HDMI port you use because you'll need this to switch the input later on. Plug the power cable in so that the Roku turns on. And you could also use an adhesive strip. There's actually one included to attach to your Roku, to your TV. Just make sure once again that that glossy side is facing outwards. Otherwise, this will not work as well. But yeah, grab your TV remote, change the input to the HDMI port you plugged it into, and whenever you see the Roku setup screen, you're ready to continue. Using the Roku remote, select your language. It's going to scan for Wi-Fi. Choose your network and enter in your Wi-Fi password. Then just press connect. After connecting, the device will run a connection test and it may ask you to update the software. Just go ahead and update it if prompted. Once the update does finish, you'll be asked to sign in or create a Roku account. It's easiest to do this on your phone or computer. But from here, if it's your first time signing in, Roku may show you a quick tutorial. Just press the home button anytime just to return to this home menu. For example, if I'm on like featured free, right? I get at home and it's going to take me immediately back to the home section. And all of your apps are going to appear in this section. If you ever want to add more apps, scroll down to this little search button right here. Search for your app and then you can add it directly. Yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.